Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this Mumaloo craft box set for kids. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This package is an all-inclusive craft set, which I love to have on hand to be able to give the kids activity ideas that are not on their electronics. The package has 10 unique projects that are already pre-cut and neatly organized into individual slots. This gives them hours of engaging creativity and crafting while having fun as well. I love also that it is mess-free and it is adorable and enjoyable for the kids. I don't have to worry about researching craft projects, heading over to the art supply store to grab all the materials that I need, because everything is all in this one boxed craft set. Plus, it is a great way to nurture independence, creativity, while at the same time developing visual and motor skills. If you are in the market for a fun, all-inclusive craft set for kids, either as a gift for a special occasion or for after school or daily fun, engaging activities, this is definitely worth looking into.